let's do 67 and 10.3. So we have 36 over the square root of 15, square root of 13 minus 5. And what was suggested to us?
A conjugate.
We remembered a conjugate would be a good idea. Okay, so what does a conjugate mean? I take this thing and I multiply by
The same equation, but with the multiple or the opposite sign.
the same equation, the whole same equation?
Just the bottom part.
Okay, just the bottom part, but with a plus. So 13, square root of 13
Plus 5.
plus 5. And really, I only want to do this to the bottom, right? But I sort of have to, what?
Do it to the top.
Yeah, I've got to do it to the top too. So I've got the square root of 13 plus 5 on top and bottom. And now what? What do you get on the top? How about that?
You're going to distribute. So I would leave it 36 square root of 13 plus 36 times 5.
Okay. So I have kind of remembered my implied parentheses, right? And then I'm distributing this 36 onto those two pieces. So I've got 36 square root of 13 plus 5 times 36.
Makes it easier. Figure out the bottom.
Okay. That might actually be a good idea. On the bottom, what have I got?
13 minus 5.
Yeah, very nice.
There you go.
Where'd you pull that one out of, Whitney?
No.
You remember how to FOIL.
You
Yes.
didn't help at all. You didn't help at all.
I know you did. So we FOIL this out, right? And what cancels?
The middle part.
Yeah, the O and the I, right? Those cancel. So I get the first things plus the last things. So I got my 13 minus 25. So then what? Then I've got my 36 square root of 13 plus 5 times 36 over
Negative 12.
negative 12.
Negative 12 goes into 36.
Oh, that's good. You see that? Some of you had a tendency to cancel the 12 with one of them, right?
Yes, that was.
And that's a false cancel. So you need to get a 12 factored out, right? You need a 12 times the whole top. So you should say, all right, this is 12 times what? What are you left with after you factor 12 out?
3 square root of 13.
3 square root of 13 plus
5 times 3.
5 times 3 is
15
15.
is negative 15. Oh,
Yeah, that's
If you
Yes.
factor out negative 12.
Ah, okay. I'm factoring out a positive 12.
oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, factoring a negative 12 out would also be a good idea. So here I've got a onesie, right? You guys see my onesie?
Mhm.
It's these guys.
You just missed it.
Up with my brain tonight. Just a clean miss there.
You forgot the subtraction. How are you doing?
That's why people
Yeah,
don't
so why
see
can't I
negative.
why can't I circle the minus sign?
You didn't use it?
Yeah, because there's not a minus sign up top, right? See that? That wouldn't be a onesie, that would be a negative onesie or something. So, once I've got rid of the green stuff, what do I have left?
Negative 3 square root of 13. Or you can do negative 15 first.
Oh, you guys are clever, right? You guys see what they're
Because
kind
it's
of
over
saying?
negative 1.
They're saying there's a negative down here. So I could put that onto all the pieces up top and get it out of the bottom. That's fine. Maybe more obviously to me right now, I'd say we've got 3 square roots of 13 plus 15 divided by negative 1. Okay, see that? What's up?
How come you wouldn't times the 5 times the 36 and then reduce from there?
Yeah, so if you multiply the 5 times 36, you'll get 180. Then you'll have to notice that 12 goes into 180 15 times.
Okay, I did.
Okay.
But that still leaves you with, that leaves you with 36.
But you need to factor that 12 out of everything.
Okay, alright.
Good noticing. I don't think I would probably have noticed that 12 went into 180 without making a factor tree or something.
I just guessed on the calculator, wasn't I noticing.
No, I mean, that's the definition of noticing. That's good. All right, so once I'm here, what do I do? Am I done?
Multiply top and bottom by -1.
Yeah, I could flip the signs on the top because I'm dividing by -1, which may be a convenient way to think about that would be to think about this as multiplication by -1 over -1. So I got -3 square root of 13 minus 15. And I'm sure your book writes that in the other order, but whatever. Cool? Questions, concerns?
Couldn't you have just factored out -12 to leave it?
Sure. Yeah.
Much easier.
So you could have factored a -12 out here because you knew you had one on the bottom. Yeah, that would have been better. Cool? Questions?